So Anne dropped her phone and now she's trying to get out. She dove in there to get it. Go. Is there a ladder there or anything? Just walk out, babe. Just.
You can.
Yeah, you can.
You sink to your knees.
Well, just use the dock. Once you get to about there, you'll be fine. So she's having a nice little swim today. We're sitting here enjoying the lake, and she dropped her phone. Yeah, just keep going. There you go.
Ew!
What?
It's like really yucky.
Just go to the end and walk out. For Christ's sakes. Stand up.
Yeah.
Oh my God. She was like in a foot of water and couldn't stand up. So,
Well,
she's out now.
there's really no bottom. Like you just
Yeah, it's pretty silty.
sink in.